From my experience working with students on this question, it seems that it's a really hard question, but I don't think it has to be. I think with the right approach to data sufficiency, this can actually be quite easy. Here's what I mean. When they give us in statement 1 the total interior volume of the carton, since it's data sufficiency, we should immediately start thinking about extreme scenarios. The volume of the carton doesn't tell us the shape of the carton. So in one extreme, maybe the carton is only 1 inch high. And that could totally be true as long as the area of the carton is an area of 2,304 square inches, right? Then the height would be 1 inch. In another extreme, maybe the area of the carton is, I don't know, 10 by 10, and then the height is 23 inches approximately. So we can see with these two extreme scenarios that we have no idea how high the carton is. And when you look at statement 2, you realize that that's actually kind of a big deal. Like we need to know how high it is, because if it's not high enough to contain a single can, then the answer is 0. You can't put any cans in there. But if it's much higher, then maybe you can stack the cans. So I think that's a great way to kind of prove to yourself pretty quickly that even if you combine the statements, you still can't answer this question, and therefore the correct answer is E.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.